Standard First, English Medium, Subject Mathematics. Lesson number 26. Introduction and Writing of 21 to 30. We learned 1 to 20 numbers. Say 1 to 20 numbers, you all. Let's learn number after 20 and how to write it in tens and units house, and also know how to read it. Listen carefully and say with me. 2 tens, 1 unit. 2 tens, 1 unit. 21. 21. 2 tens, 2 unit. 22. 2 tens, 3 unit. 23. 2 tens, 4 unit. 24. 2 tens, 5 unit. 25. 2 tens, 6 unit. 26. 2 tens, 7 unit. 27. 2 tens, 8 unit. 28. 2 tens, 9 unit. 29. 3 tens, 0 unit. 30.